Welcome back students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to move from one window to another window using some method or by creating one method. So take a scenario. So this is Gmail login page. When I click on learn more, so it will open the new window. So my intention is I want to move from this parent window to child window, but using method. So for that I have to create one methods and move from one window to another window. In that method I want to perform one activity. Suppose if I give the title browser Chrome as a guest, so it will move to this window and whatever operation, for example I want to close this one. Okay, I have to close this window. Simply I enter the title. According to our title, that cursor will go in particular window and close it. For example, this is the Gmail title. So when I enter the title of Gmail, my cursor will go and close this Gmail. So if sometimes there is 10 or 20 windows, so simply you can use this method to move from one window to another window, and it will control on the window. So see here, so our scenario is, for example, this is one window, this is second, this is third, this is fourth window. Okay, so I want to move from this window to this window and this window to this window using some method. If I found my required title is on this window, simply I have to close this window. If I enter the title of this window, so this window should be closed. So for that, how to create the method? See here, so first of all write down the selenium code to launch the website driver.get http://www.gmail.com. see here, we have to click on this learn more. When I click here, it will open new tab. So when I check the property of this learn more, see the property, just click on this selector and click on learn more. So see, this is the anchor tag. So anchor tag means this is the link, href, this is the property. So this is the link. So we can handle this link based on link text. So link text means the text is visible directly. We can click with the help of link tag text locator. So for that, driver dot find element by dot link text, simply pass the visible text, what operation we have to perform, then click. After clicking on this learn more, so new tab will be open. So we have to capture this tab window ID, but this time we have to capture by using some method. So how to write down the method? So below the class level I will create public static void control window. So here the name of our method control window. So here I will use webdriver interface. So see, this is our the method. So I have created a static method. Why? Because we can directly call the static method without creating the object. So here I will use one interface iterator. Inside this I will give the string as input, because our getWindowHandles return type is string. Then I will give the name IDs equals to driver dot getWindowHandles dot iterator. So iterator is the cursor which is used to move from one element to another element. So see here, after creating the iterator, I will create one while loop to iterate. So inside this I will use IDs dot next. So what is the use of this has next method? See, this is the boolean methods. It will check the ID value, means string type of value is present inside this ID or not. Means it will check the window ID is present inside this ID's variable or not. If the variable is present, then cursor will move inside this. Okay, so here after move, so from switching our WebDriver control from one window to another window, we use driver dot switch to dot window. So inside this I will use IDs dot next. It will traverse from one window to another window. See here, so we have created one method. Our method name is control window. Inside this we use the WebDriver interface with the reference, and here driver dot getWindowHandles, it will capture all window ID and store inside this IDs iterator interface, and iterator is the method which is provide the has next boolean method, so which will check the ID is present or not. If the ID is present, see here, it will provide true value. If true, control will go here, and simply we switch our cursor from one window to another window, driver dot switch to dot window. So like this we have created one method. So simply here, after clicking this learn more, so we have to control the window, means we have to capture the window ID. So simply call this method to here, because we have to control to this window. So simply control window, give the driver reference there. Then after capturing the window ID, we have to traverse. Okay, for that I will use iterator string IDs equals to driver dot getWindowHandles dot iterator. Here also I will use while loop IDs dot has next. Inside this, if the ID is present, so it will driver dot switch to dot window IDs dot next. It will move from another window. So here, after moving from one window to another window, our target is, see here, we have to give the title. According to our title, so cursor will go and perform the operation. For example, see the title of this one, inspect the element. So second window title, see here, 1 minute, HTML head, this one title. Just capture this title. According to our title, we have to give the condition. If driver dot get title dot equal ignore case. If the title is this, then what we have to do, we have to driver dot close the window. If the title is browser Chrome as guest, it will close the window. So here we have successfully written the Selenium code. See, the simple logic is here. So simply we have taken the control of all window inside this control window method which we created here. So simply this method will do, it will capture all the window ID and traverse from one window to another window. So simply we call that method here. Again we use one iterator to iterate between the window. So here we use one iterator interface string type IDs dot getWindowHandles dot iterator. Then we use while loop. So IDs will check if ID is available, means string type of ID is available or not. So it will capture here and store inside this. So driver dot switch to dot window, so it will travels from one window to another window. So here we give the logic, if driver dot get title, if title equal ignore case browser, so it will close the window. So let me run this one. It has launched Chrome successfully. Click on learn more and see, it has closed the second window. So like this we can create one method and handle the multiple window. So my another intention is, see here, so this window title is Gmail. So this time I will change the title from here to Gmail. So my intention is, my cursor will move, means this program will move from each window and check if the title is Gmail, then close this window. So see what will happen. So this time Gmail, means parent window, should be closed. Chrome is started. So it has clicked, and see here we have closed the parent window, only the child window is open. So like this you can handle multiple window with the help of this method. So window control method, inside this we can write down this code, and simply whenever we required this method, simply call to capture the window ID. So that's it about this lecture. We will discuss more.
आई होप आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर करना। तो देखो, चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करने को कुछ पैसे नहीं लगते, तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो यार। तो मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में जल्द ही।